How to make Wix load faster. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are various ways that are slowing down your Wix loading, but in this video we will cover some ways you can utilize in order to improve the speed of loading on your Wix. So just follow these steps and you would be good to go. The first one is that save the images in correct format and size, and don't worry about your user, as Wix will uh, incorporate all the ways and sizes according to the user and according to their internet speed. So you just do your best instead of compressing the images. And the second reason could be that you have multiple style sheets on Wix. So it's better to combine the style sheets into one and also reduce the number of images on the page of your website. And also remove unnecessary scripts that you have on your website. This will surely help you boost the speed of your Wix website, also reduce the number of ads on your website, as it also impacts the speed. Also, you can use the faster web hosting provider, and this way it would also be beneficial for you. Now, other things that you can do is that remove the external applications, including the third-party apps, and don't use so many fonts on your website. At most use just two, and that would be good to go, and that should be enough for you. Now, also reduce the animations. If you have got certain animations on your website, then it's better to remove them and only keep it if it is quite necessary, and only the and also reduce their number. So these were some ways you can utilize in order to improve the Wix speed loading, and that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.